Guys, there's a giant bass, like really close to here. So I'm using live bluegill right now. I'm gonna throw that right here. Just got hammered twice. That's a bad cast. It's a tiny bluegill. Feel like right there. Oh, we got it, we got it, we got it. Here, listen dry, listen dry. It's new PB, new PB, new PB, new PB. Let's see if I land this. Oh, wow, nah. I don't know if that's a PB. Oh, he's barely hooked, he's barely hooked. I don't even know if he's hooked anymore. Okay, let's put the rod up here. Oh shoot, there's a line in its gill. And there we go, it's out. Ah, it's splashing everywhere. All right, calm down, calm down, calm down. Stop jumping. Oh, wow. He's hooked. Ow. Try to do everything I can to get this guy unhooked and back in the water in less than like 5 minutes.